Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Tanner Shoes review. So you might be wondering, what is this store here? What is Tanner Shoes? Well, in this case, Tanner Shoes is an online store that sells handcrafted style leather footwear for men and women. Now that's according to their website. Now, the store offers a wide range of products, including leather boots, Chelsea boots, Oxford shoes, loafers, hiking boots, casual shoes, and orthopedic style footwear. Now, according to the website, the shoes are designed with a focus on classic style, comfort, and everyday wear. Now, the store features more than 100 products across different collections. So, some of its popular items include the Mark Classic Retro leather boots, Richard Chelsea boots, Mason comfortable formal shoes, and Walter lace-up boots. Now, many products are listed with discounted prices as part of their store's ongoing sale. Now, for example, the Mark Classic Retro leather boots are listed at around $89.95, down from the $399.95. Now, while other shoes generally range from about $75 to $120. Now, depending on the model itself. Now, the website it also advertises free standard shipping on all orders and occasional promotions such as buy one get one free offers on selected products. Now, in this case, using the website itself is straightforward, so you can just browse by category such as men's or women's shoes or view all available products. After selecting a pair, choose your preferred size and color if available and add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. Now, if a promotion applies such as bundle discount or buy one get one free offer, it's automatically applied during the checkout according to the website. Now, each product page includes photos or a product description, available sizes and color options, pricing and shipping information, and the website also provides pages for returns and exchanges. Now, shipping information, order tracking, and frequently asked questions, and customer support. Now, if you need assistance with an order here, the store also provides support through its contact page and customer service email. So, just in case. So, overall, Tanner Shoes here is an online footwear store that specializes, and that's according to them, in handcrafted style leather boots and shoes. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.